Ever wondered how much GrabPay credit you have left? Or maybe you're curious about your recent transactions. You're not alone. Checking your GrabPay balance is super easy, and in this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps. So, let's dive in. GrabPay is a convenient digital wallet that simplifies your everyday transactions. You can use it for rides, food deliveries, online shopping, and even paying bills. But before you can spend, it's essential to keep track of your balance. The easiest way to check your GrabPay balance is through the Grab app itself. Open the Grab app, tap on the app icon on your phone's home screen. Navigate to your GrabPay wallet, look for the GrabPay icon or section within the app. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. View your balance. Once you're in your GrabPay wallet, your current balance will be displayed prominently. Want to see your recent transactions? Access your transaction history. Within your GrabPay wallet, look for its transaction history option. Review your transactions. You'll see a list of your recent transactions, including the date, time, amount, and description of each transaction. Checking balance online. If you prefer to check your balance online, log into your Grab account, visit the Grab website and log into your account. Access your GrabPay wallet. Navigate to your GrabPay wallet section on the website. View your balance. Your current balance will be displayed clearly. Tips for managing your GrabPay account. Regularly check your balance. This helps you stay on top of your spending and avoid unexpected charges. Enable email or push notifications. Receive alerts for every transaction, ensuring you're always aware of your account activity. Review your transaction history. Regularly check your transaction history to identify any suspicious activity and ensure all transactions are accurate. Keep your account information secure. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you're having trouble checking your balance or accessing your GrabPay account, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Update the Grab app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Grab app installed. Contact Grab support. If the issue persists, reach out to Grab customer support for assistance. Checking your GrabPay balance is a simple and crucial step in managing your finances effectively. With the methods outlined in this video, you can easily monitor your account and enjoy the convenience of GrabPay with peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.